What's up YouTube? Today I'm at my condo in the Biltmore area of Phoenix, Arizona. And I'm actually selling this condo and I'm moving to a new house. So before I leave this condo, I wanted to give you guys a tour of the building. It's one of the few high rises that we have in Phoenix, Arizona. And I'm currently selling it for around $300,000. So I wanted to give you guys who are from Phoenix or outside of Phoenix that are interested in buying out here what $300,000 can get you. So I'm going to show you guys some of the amenities, I'll show you my unit, and then I'll break down what the cost is of this place. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and let's dive into this. So the community I live in is called Optima Biltmore Towers. There's a couple different Optima buildings in Phoenix, but these ones are all individually owned, so they're all remodeled differently and look a little different on the inside. So all of the units have floor-to-ceiling windows. They're all individually owned, so they're all remodeled differently. I chose to do a very basic white style, and they are located off of 24th Street in Camelback, which is right across the street from the Biltmore Mall. At the Biltmore Mall, you've got a Lifetime Fitness, you've got a bunch of restaurants, shopping, a lot of high-end shopping and things like that. And then across the street, you have a lot of business buildings. So if you're in real estate, insurance, finance, or anything like that, a lot of times your offices are going to be in this area, especially for like commercial real estate and stuff like that. So my office is right down the street, and it's been very convenient living here, but I'm moving right up the street, and so I'll definitely miss this. And I wanted to make this video to not only show you guys what in 2021 you could buy for $300,000, but also kind of have the memory of this place because it served me well. So I'm going to give you guys my best shot at some editing and some slow-mo and stuff like that. So to give you guys a tour, and then I'll recap the price, and we'll go over some of the amenities here too. Up to the rooftop where they have a barbecue, they have eating areas, and then they have a pool and jacuzzi. The pool and jacuzzi right now are being refinished, so I'll give you kind of a peek at what that looks like, but it's not fully open right now. So these are the hallways where the elevators are, and you can see this is what I was talking about when people have interior views of other units. Some units face inside, and that's just the courtyard. So this is what the entrance lobby looks like when you first come in, or your guests come in, and you need a fob to access all this. And then here's the elevators that take you up to the roof or your unit. So every resident here has access to this roof. So up here you've got 2 barbecues, and then they just redid the roof with all new turf and everything. And so you can pretty much see the entire city from this building. So that's a view of Camelback Road going west. Then you got downtown Phoenix out in the distance. So on this side, you've got some lounge chairs and an eating area. A lot of times we barbecue and come up here and eat. And this is looking south, so towards Sky Harbor Airport and Tempe. So that's like Papago area and everything like that. So now we'll go check out the pool. So here you can see the pool looks south. They're refinishing it right now, so it'll be open in a couple months, but it's an infinity pool, and gonna hang out in the jacuzzi over on that side. So even though that your unit only costs $300,000, and obviously the higher you go up in the building, the more they cost, but my HOA is about $600 a month. So that includes my access to all the amenities, window washing, water, sewer, trash, and basic cable, and then also insurance. So you have to pay your mortgage and then plus the $600 a month for the HOA. So that's a tour of Optima Biltmore Towers out in Phoenix, Arizona. Wanted to give you guys a sneak peek at what you can buy out here. So I'll give you guys a tour of my new house of where I'm moving, but I really just wanted to have, you know, a full tour of this building because I really did enjoy living here. And I wanted to give you guys an idea of what your money can do in Phoenix if you're living somewhere else and wanting to move here. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm just really trying to show you no love. Say you tired and you need a new love.